Welcome back to the class. Today let us start the new chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. Okay. Now first you should know what is adolescence. It is the stages of human life. There are different stages in human life. The first stage is infancy. As soon as the child burns, up to age 2, that means 2 years, the child is called, that the life cycle of child is called infancy. Okay, after infancy, childhood starts. It is the age from 2 to 9, 10, etc. Okay, then from 10 to what is it, up to 18, the period is called adolescent stage. Okay, the first stage is called infancy, second childhood, then adolescence, then adulthood, then old age we can say. Okay, this is the age up to 2 years. It is up to 9 years. Here 10 to 18 or 19. This stages is called adolescence. This one we are going to learn. And up to 40. Okay, that age is called adulthood. Above 40 or 45 we can say it is a old age. These are the life stages. Okay, in which we come across each one. This chapter we are going to learn the stages of adolescence. Okay, it is a stage, life period between 10 to 19 years in which the process of changes occurs in the human body, and at last this changes leads to reproductive maturity. This word is important, reproductive maturity. This stage is called adolescence. This is the most important period in the human life. What is adolescence? It is a lifetime during, that means between 10 to 19 years, in which the body undergoes changes which leads to maturity preparation. Okay, maturity, that means reproductive maturity. The body is fully ready for the reproduction. Such a stage is called adolescence. Next we go for difference between adolescence and puberty. Which one? Adolescence, puberty. I told you this is a life period between 11 to or 10 to 19 years. For girls we can say it is 10 to, okay, and for boys it start from 11 to, because girls maturity, their stages changes occur 1 year earlier than the boys. Okay, adolescence is a life stage, that is life period. And I told you life period between what is that, 10 to 19 years, 18 or 19 years, in which body is undergo changes and which leads to reproductive maturity. This is, what is puberty? It is a changes. It is a life period. It is a changes occur in our body during adolescence. What is the definition of puberty? It is onset of puberty, when you can say, when the changes occur in our body during adolescence period. The changes is the onset of puberty. Okay, changes develop in a body during this adolescence, which is called onset of puberty. Okay, next one is, what are the changes occurs during puberty? We are going to see. Changes occur during the puberty. What are the changes occur? First one is increasing in height. Okay, first between for girls the changes occur, it starts from the age 10 years only it starts. For boys it starts from 11 years. Okay, what is the what changes? First one is height changes. Mainly arms, hands, legs start increasing. Okay, increase at high rate. During this stage, adolescent period, first which part of the body starts growth? That means arms and hands, legs, these parts start growing at a high rate. Okay, first this part. Then slowly other body parts start changing. Usually, girls grow faster than the boys. Okay, both boys and girls at the age of 18, they will have the full growth, maximum growth. Both attain the maximum growth at the age of 18 years of their stage. Understand? Both attain maximum height during this year at this age. But who grow faster? Girls than the boys. Which part of the body grow faster starts growing? First arms, hands, legs, this and all. Starts growing first. Then slowly the remaining parts one by one, it is starts, what is it? Growth. You can see the changes in the growth. Second one is body shape. Second one is body shape. For boys, the shoulder become broaden. Okay, shoulder it grows widen the core, so because it broadens this part. For girls, hip, this hip below around the stomach, just below the stomach, the hip broadens. Okay, why? Because accumulation of fat occurs during this stage. During this stage, adolescent period, accumulation of fat occurs around the hip in girls. Understood? These are the changes in body. Okay. Next one is voice. What will happen to the voice? During this adolescence period, voice starts changing. For girls, the shrillness increase. The voice shrillness will be increased. We studied the sound chapters. What is shrillness? What is shrillness? Frequency. Okay. Frequency of that means shrillness increases. For boys, for them also, but what will happen for them? This Adam apple. What is Adam apple? This a voice box, that is larynx. This voice box protrude outside, grow outside, bulge outside this area. So you can see like a, what is that? Like a bulged part here. Okay. For girls, shrillness all increase. For boys, this is a broadening of larynx, the protruding of larynx, bulgy part of larynx occurs. This is called Adam apples. Next one is sweat and sebaceous gland. First, you should know what is gland. Gland is a kind of tissue. They will perform different function, hormone secretion or enzyme secretion in our body. Different glands are present. Generally, it is divided into two type of glands. One is that we study endocrine gland, exocrine gland. Okay, endocrine gland, exocrine gland. Now let us see the types of this gland. This endocrine gland is called ductless gland, whereas exocrine gland is called duct gland. Okay, what is the meaning of ductless? Before that, we study the function of endocrine and exocrine. Okay. These endocrine glands secrete enzymes and some other materials, whereas exocrine glands secrete enzymes, whereas endocrine glands secrete hormones. Okay, this is ductless. Before that, it secretes hormone. It secretes enzymes. Okay. This endocrine gland is called ductless gland. Why it is ductless gland? It is called duct gland. Why is it called so? Because this endocrine gland secrete the hormone and pour directly into the blood. Blood stream is running, no? This hormone secrete directly into the blood. And blood carries this hormone and reaches a particular site. Which area you want to go, the particular site it reaches. That is called target site. Okay? Endocrine gland don't have tube-like structure. So as soon as they produce hormones, it directly pour into the blood. And blood carries, these hormones travels through the blood and reaches a particular site of our body. That site is called target site. Whereas this exocrine is called duct gland. Duct gland is it has tube-like structure and it produces enzymes. The enzyme passes through the tube and reaches a particular site. Without tube, with tube. That's what is called ductless gland. With the tube, it is called duct gland. Okay, the secretion passes through the tube. And as examples, this exocrine gland we can say mammary gland, which produce milk, and sweat gland. Okay, oil gland, that is sebaceous gland is called oil gland, which is situated under the beneath the layer of the skin, which produce oil. Sebaceous gland is situated beneath the skin and which produce oil, which help for lubricating the hair. Hair like structure is present in our body, no? Which is this oil helps to lubrication. Okay, and salivary gland, you know, this area salivary gland is present, and this saliva passes through the tube-like structure, that is duct. Okay, you know what is saliva. When we go for endocrine gland, we have several endocrine gland in our body. Okay, several endocrine gland in our body. That means in our head, pituitary gland is there. What is that? Pituitary. Pituitary gland, which is called master gland in our body. Okay, this gland is called master gland in our body. And when you go for neck, under neck some glands are there. Thyroid gland, which produce thyroxine. Okay, pituitary gland is called growth, which is secrete growth hormone, which help our body to grow. And the next comes thyroid gland. Okay, which help our body to maintain the metabolic function in our body, which is secrete thyroxine. The hormone name is thyroxine. In the pituitary gland, if there is less secretion or more secretion, it causes dwarfism or a big body in size. The body growth will be less or the body growth will be big in size. If there is secretion is lack, the body growth will be stunned. Or very big in size, giant shape. And thyroxine, if there is thyroxine production is less or more, that here you can see bulge-like structure. Okay, we will get that disease. Below this, what is there? You are having one pair of, that means two kidney. Over the kidney, you are having adrenal gland. Okay, cap-like structure, adrenal. Okay, adrenal gland. Okay, and the next one is pancreas is there, leaf-like structure. Pancreas. This adrenal gland produce adrenaline, and when our body is under stress, it will secrete the hormone, it will be more active. Okay, these all ductless glands, that means endocrine gland. They will be active, more active during the period of adolescence. Okay, during the period of adolescence, these all glands start secretion, and their rate of activity will be increased during the adolescence period. And the pancreas, you know, they secrete insulin hormone, which maintain the level of blood. Okay, sorry, maintain the level of sugar in the blood. Okay, maintain the level of sugar in the blood. If there is more or less, we will get diabetes. So many problems arises. Next comes for female, there are ovaries. Okay. Ovary, pair of ovary. For male it is a testis. Okay, testis. These all are what hormone? Endocrine gland. These are the glands. Ductless gland. Endocrine gland. These all glands are active during the period of adolescence. Their secretion will be more during this period. So all these changes in our body occurs. For boys, mustache and a beard, the growth will be occurs. Facial hair. Okay. For girls, all both the boys and girls, hair develop in the puberty region, pubic region, at the under the arms, armpit, hair growth will be there. More secretion of sweat. Okay, they will be these glands are active during this stage, so secretion will be more. They will be more active. And why this pituitary gland is called a master gland? It is present under the skull, inside the skull, just below this layer. What is it? This only stimulate these hormones. It produce hormone. It is ductless gland. Through the ductless gland, it reaches the hormone reaches to all the parts, important parts, and they will be gets stimulated by this hormone. They secrete the hormone, and it reaches all the site, these all site, and they get stimulated, and they start working. They produce their hormone, own hormone. So these all changes occur in our body. So who is the main person to changes this all or to secrete this all hormones? Pituitary gland, master gland. First they start secretion, and this hormone reaches to particular stage, and all other glands be active, and they start secrete hormones. Okay, because of this all changes occur. Next one is sex organs. That means the for female breast development will be there. Okay, pubic region, hair growth will be there. These all reason occurs. These all things occurs. The changes occurs during this period. Next, mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. They will be very aggressive. They will be very angry during this stage. Don't follow the parents' advice. They don't like their parents sometimes. So because of this hormonal secretion, because the changes because of this body changes, so it takes some time to adjust. During this because of this hormone production, these all changes occurs in the human body. That's all. Thank you.